the C++, there is a rtags with so many features. This is could you pay attention to the bottom line here? And I will show you that. Obsolete board is a superclass and the board array 2D and board vector. Okay, and this is a virtual function list. The print virtual function and the print the board array 1D and the board vector and the board array 2D. We have to call this function. This function is called here in the Notion page, summarizing all my steps to do this. Yeah, the title is Emacs code navigation using rtags on Galaxy Tab S8. I'm doing all of this on my portable device, Galaxy S Tab S8 Ultra model. Before doing this, there is some prerequisite. I installed Termux and Ubuntu 22 modded OS before installing Emacs on my Ubuntu. So there is a YouTube clips for this, so I recommend you to watch this YouTube link first. Yeah, here it is. And after that, install some packages at first on your Ubuntu on top of the Termux. There's some packages listed here. Definitely you need to install Emacs, and before that, build essential, Git, Beam, CMake, and etc. Something like that. I recommend you to install all of this. And Silver Search and the Global. Yeah, Global is some companion of rtags. Rtags is our main source navigation tool working with the Emacs. But Global is some companion of that setups. And I share my personal Emacs configuration, .emacs.d directory. In here, the GitHub, here is the link. So I recommend you to clone this Git repository and yeah, be my guest. It is free to use this my configuration. It's up to you. Yeah, you can modify it as I recommend you to customize it as per your taste. And now we installed the Termux on your tablet and Ubuntu, and then you already installed my recommendations here, and Emacs is installed, and now it's the time you to install the rtags. Yeah, the good thing is the rtag is you can install these rtags using our friends the apt-get. So you don't have to compile the source-based compile. Okay. Yeah, and here is some steps you have to take after installing the rtags. Basically, if you install the rtags using the apt-get, basically it is located in the user bin directory rtags rdm and rtags rc. But you need to make a symbol link to that, the easy name, the rdm and rc. The reason we change the name is that our configuration, my configuration, the rtag rc file in my Emacs configuration is a little bit older, so you need to make them work together. In order for them to work together, you need to change the name in old fashion. Okay, so and then yeah, that's all. Now you are ready to navigate the source code using the Emacs and the rtags. Okay, I will show you how to do that. This is my Emacs. Emacs is running on the Ubuntu, and Ubuntu is running on the Termux, and Termux is running on my Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra model. So, okay, I downloaded some open source to verify how my Emacs and the rtags is working with the source code, C++ source code. I already prepared some open source. Yeah, and I described where is the open source in the internet on my Notion pages. Yeah, there's two examples. One is the rtags itself, And the second one is about the CPP inheritance examples. Yeah, here it is. rtags working with that source code. Here it is, CPP inheritance. Basically, this source code is written in C++, and it take advantage of the C++, the inheritance. There's some class and some other subclasses inheritance from the superclass. Okay, jump into any files. So yeah, namespace is here, and here is some class definition, the board array 2D. Now we are installing the rtags on Emacs. So there is some menus in toolbar. The C++, there is a rtags with so many features. So don't worry, you don't have to memorize all of these hotkeys and these features. Just the 3 or 4 tips. That is all you have to know. Basically, the basic function is jump to the definition and find some location where to call the definitions. And this rtags has a very fancy feature. For instance, it's showing the virtual functions. Virtual functions means same name, but that functions is executed depending on the what kind of instance, and show the hierarchy of between the classes. What is the superclass? What is the subclasses? Something like that. For instance, board array 2D is. I will show you. This is could you pay attention to the bottom line here? Yeah, the class board 2D. There's some simple. I will show you the definition of this class. This class definition is a header file board array 2D.h file, and I will show you the hierarchy of this class. This is I hit the hotkey to show the class hierarchy. Yeah, this is the result. We can show this window because we installed the rtag, and this is rtag. Rtag extension in Emacs is communicating with RDM, which we already installed it in rtags on Ubuntu. Okay. The board array 2D is a abstract board, inheritance abstract board. Here it is. Okay. Jump to the abstract board. This is the abstract board definition, and I will show you class hierarchy one more. Yeah. Abstract board is a superclass, and the board array 2D and the board vector is already or inheritance from the abstract board like this. Okay. Okay, back to board array 2D, and there is some method. Let me search if there are some virtual functions here. Search with virtual keyword. Oh yeah, there's some virtual function list here. This is defined on the abstract board, and this is a virtual function list, the print virtual function, and the print virtual function is defined in the board array 1D and the board vector and the board array 2D. Yeah. So let me check the print virtual function in board array 2D like this. Where to call this function? This function is called here and there through the whole source code. Okay, this is a short demo about how to cooperate the Emacs and rtags extensions with RDM, which you installed on your Emacs. Yeah, that's all. Okay, thank you.